We'll guide you through how to use the Asana desktop app with the most current features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your computer and go to the Asana website to download the desktop app. Click on the download button for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your computer. After installation, launch the Asana desktop app. You'll need to sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where you can view all your projects and tasks. To create a new project, click the plus icon on the top bar, select Project, and choose a template or start from scratch. Give your project a name and add team members if needed. You can then add tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Enter the task details, set due dates, and assign them to team members. Use the sidebar to navigate between different projects and tasks. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific tasks or projects. To customize your view, go to the My Tasks tab and choose between List, Board, or Calendar view, depending on how you prefer to organize your work. The Asana desktop app also offers notifications to keep you updated on task progress and deadlines. Make sure to enable desktop notifications in the Settings menu to stay on top of any changes. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your tasks and projects efficiently using the Asana desktop app. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.